Assuming you're searching for UNISWAP cost expectations gauge for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2030, and need to know where the costs of UNISWAP, UNA will go from now on. We will break down the past costs of UNISWAP, UNA, and we'll figure out what specialists fundamentally are talking about its future cost activities in an unpretentious manner. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you want to really take this expectation and each and every forecast with the goal that this is just the idea of some market master experts in an unobtrusive way. Not to generally specify foreseeing something so ideal is totally incomprehensible. Be that as it may, we will attempt our very best. We should especially begin UNISWAP past value examination as per the in every practical sense. Most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of UNISWAP is $4.30. And UNA is right now positioned number 27 in the in every way that really matters whole crypto biological system. The flow supply of UNISWAP in a real sense is 577,501,031, with a market cap of $2,480,973,198, in opposition to mainstream thinking. For the most part beyond 24 hours, the crypto has been diminished by 0.86% in its ongoing worth. Assuming we look at the very current market cap of the UNA with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap in a real sense is likewise down, as opposed to mainstream thinking. UNISWAP most certainly is confronting a tough time jumping aboard with other crypto coins, or so they certainly thought. The UNA by and large is down to nearly 3.45% in the truly most recent 7 days. The coin in a real sense is as yet showing gambling with outlining portions for past essentially couple of days. The coin could major areas of strength for have at the same time. We don't imagine that it would a productive resource in present moment. Inside the most recent 1 month, the cost of UNA diminished by 32.100%. Killing an incredible extremely normal amount of $2.03 from its ongoing worth. This unexpected down explicitly implies that the coin is in plunge at the present time, implying that it tends to be a decent purchase, a valuable open door for fast venture. The 90 days cost change by and large is near 34.89%, and the cost coursed from an in every way that really matters, least certainly normal cost of $6.10. To most extreme especially normal cost of $6.70, in the genuinely beyond 90 days. UNISWAP is somewhere near 22.27%, with the certainly greatest typical cost of the coin was around $5.27, and the very least typical cost of generally was around $5.15 in beyond 4 months. Beautiful as opposed to prevalent thinking. We foresee future UNISWAP cost expectations Unigauge by applying profound man-made consciousness, helped specialized investigation on the past value information of UNISWAP. We in a real sense give a valiant effort to gather most extreme verifiable information for the Unicoin, which incorporate various boundaries like past value, UNISWAP market cap, UNISWAP volume, and certainly scarcely any basically more. Assuming that you are hoping to put resources into computerized digital currencies and need great profit from decently your ventures, try to in every practical sense read our forecasts. UNISWAP value expectation 2023. According to the Gauge and Specialized Examination, in 2023, the cost of UNISWAP is supposed to reach at the very least value worth of $7.69 in a truly significant manner. The unit cost can in every way that really matters arrive at a most extreme value worth of $8.44, with the typical worth of $7.96, certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. In a by and large significant manner, UNISWAP value expectation 2024 UNISWAP cost essentially is estimate to really arrive at least in every practical sense conceivable degree of $11.13 in 2024. According to our discoveries, the unit cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $13.22, with the in every practical sense normal figure cost of $11.45. Unit value conjecture for 2025. The cost of UNISWAP for the most part is anticipated to by and large reach at any rate worth of $15.58 in 2025. The UNISWAP cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $19.64. with the typical exchanging cost of $16.16, all through 2025. UNISWAP, UNA Value Expectation 2026 UNISWAP cost in a real sense is estimate to arrive at a most minimal conceivable degree of $23.52 in 2026, in spite of prevalent thinking. According to our discoveries, the unit cost could generally arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of $27.34, with the in every way that really matters, normal conjecture cost of $24.17 in an unobtrusive manner, which basically is very critical. UNISWAP Value Forecast 2027. The cost of UNISWAP is anticipated to reach at least worth of $32.81 in 2027, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. The UNISWAP cost could basically arrive at an especially greatest worth of $40.08, with the typical exchanging cost of $33.78, all through 2027. UNISWAP Value Expectation 2028. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of UNA in 2028, the cost of UNISWAP is anticipated to reach at an in every practical sense least degree of $49.83, or so they fundamentally thought. The unit cost can basically arrive at a greatest degree of $57.42, with the typical exchanging cost of $51.52 in a kind of large manner. UNISWAP UNA Value Expectation 2029. According to the gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2029, the cost of UNISWAP is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $71.35. The unit cost can generally arrive at a very greatest degree of $86.78, with the typical exchanging cost of $73.42 in a truly significant manner. UNISWAP Value Gauge 2030. The cost of UNISWAP is explicitly anticipated to reach at a truly least degree of $104.04 in 2030. The UNISWAP cost can arrive at an extremely greatest degree of $124.07, with the typical cost of $107.71, all through 2030. UNISWAP UNA Value Expectation 2031. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of UNA in 2031, the cost of UNISWAP is determined to be at around a base worth of $152.18, which sort of is genuinely critical. The UNISWAP value worth can generally arrive at a limit of $181.09, with the typical exchanging worth of $156.49 in United States dollars in a significant manner. UNISWAP Value Expectation 2032. The cost of one UNISWAP buy